At first, my regular dentist said you should really go see a periodontic specialist, which was the previous doctor who was superb, but unfortunately passed away. And then I met Dr. Volchonok. So I had had several treatments over a period of years. But then I met Dr. Volchonok, and just superb background, wonderful guy. But it was quite painful and needed to be scaled, cleaned out. And he did a superb job. But unfortunately, it does come back after several years even. And I liked him so much and thought he did such a fine job, I just kept coming back. And then he got the new office here in Greenwich, and he had the facilities for laser treatment. And he said, "Would you like to try this?" And he explained it to me in great detail, answered all my questions. And I said, yes, that would be very good. The laser did not require cutting, did not require sutures, and was faster recovery in a matter of hours, actually, versus several days. And so, dramatic difference. I'm a big fan of it, and we'll continue to have it as needed. I really feel confident in Dr. Volchonok because he has answered every question I've had in great detail, with diagrams or explaining in my own mouth what would happen, how it would happen. And I've just been very comfortable whenever I have come here and had him treatment. And so I've continued on with him, and I probably will have a year from now or several years from now even more reconstruction, because everything he's done has been just excellent.